Session 56 of Unit 5 of Taxation of 5th semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about electronic filing, that is e-filing. The learning objective is to understand the electronic filing process. Students should be able to understand the electronic filing process after studying this session. The contents of this session are electronic filing, steps for electronic filing of income tax return, facilities provided by the Department for e-filing of income tax return, advantages of e-filing of return. In the previous class, we have studied about the interest for default in furnishing the return of income. Electronic filing or e-filing is the process of submitting tax returns over the internet using tax preparation software that has been pre-approved by the relevant tax authority. The steps for e-filing of income tax return are: first we need to visit the website, that is www.incometaxindiaefiling.gov.in. Select the required ITR form. There are 7 ITR forms. The concerned ITR form which is required for a particular SSE. Then download the return preparation software for the selected form. Prepare your return offline at your convenience and follow simple steps to upload your return. On successful upload, take the printout of the acknowledgement form if the return is digitally signed. In case the return is not digitally signed, take the print of ITR 5 form 2 copies. Send 1 copy of ITR 5th form duly signed and verified by ordinary post or speed post to the address of the Income Tax Department. Facilities provided by the Department for e-filing of income tax return. Calculation of tax and interest through return preparation software. View tax credit statement, that is 26 EAS, of all taxes paid and deducted without registration. Check processing status of your e-filed returns online. Get refund through refund banker scheme. The advantages of e-filing of return are: it is convenient and secure online transaction, available anytime and anywhere, higher data accuracy, faster processing of returns and quicker refunds. E-filing of return is paperless, so it saves trees and environment. It contributes to our green concept of sustainability. References.